Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another shop with me. I'm shopping for my September kits. So in this screen I'm showing you what's already in my cart. I needed date night stickers, working PK doodles, and haircut doodles. So now I'm just going to go into Kate's shop and go into the new releases tab. So I know that August has 5 weeks, but I only need 4 kits. So the first thing that I'm looking for is my monthly, and I chose this squirrel monthly. I actually had a post on my Instagram. I couldn't decide which monthly I wanted, and so I put it out there just to kind of see what everyone else was gonna get. And so I decided on this one. So I need the EC monthly sheet 1, which is F, and the EC monthly sheet 2, which is G. So then the next kit that I'm going to get is this mini kit, and I just love the colors. I love pink and I love navy, and of course it has pumpkins. And so I am getting sheet A, which is the hourly personal sampler, and then sheet C, which is the full box, half box sheet. So then the next kit that I'm going to choose is the kit that matches the monthly. I really do enjoy choosing these kits that match the monthly. It just makes my heart happy to have things match, I guess. So I'm getting sheet A, which is the full box, half box sheet, and then also sheet D, which is the personal sampler sheet as well. And then the next kit that I wanted to get some icons for the monthly. I noticed that I don't really have a lot of icons. Well, I mean, I have a lot of icons, but I don't have what I need in the colors I need. And so I just decided to get the icon sheet that matches the monthly kit. I know that those colors can translate really well into all the kits that I purchased for the month of September. So the next kit that I'm going to get is this other mini kit, and I just loved the colors in this one. It's like really pink heavy, but it's just so, I don't know. It's just beautiful. I love pretty much every kit that Kate does. So, but I'm also getting sheet A, which is the sampler, and then sheet C, which is the full box, half box sheet as well. And so here I am. I'm just making sure that I am counting correctly. I need one more weekly kit. And so I see I was debating between a few different kits. I didn't know, the other monthly kit that I really liked was 166, which you can see. But to me, I thought it was too busy in the end. So I did end up deciding on mini kit 170, which is Fall Bliss. And again, pink, navy, and then the splash of yellow. So this kit is going to be the transition week from August to September. And I'm getting sheet C and sheet A as well. And so that's my order for the month of September. I am going to be using the coupon code JulieG20, and so that's 20% off. And I accidentally misspelled. So, thanks so much for watching, guys, and tag me or show me your kits. Bye.